Hello and welcome to FAE Tech Tips and Tutorials. Today we'll be going over how to set up virtual backgrounds in Zoom. You have a couple different options to set up the virtual backgrounds. The first option will be by navigating to your Start menu. Type in Zoom to search for the Start Zoom application. Go ahead and open up the app, and if you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your URI single sign-on credentials. Sign in with SSO. In the company domain, enter URI-edu, then hit Continue. Once the control panel is displayed for your Zoom meetings, hit the settings icon on the right-hand side. Then select Virtual Background. You can choose any of the predefined backgrounds already loaded, and if there are none, you have the opportunity to add your own. To add your own, just simply click the plus button to add an image or video. Then select Add Image. I've already saved the virtual background I want to use to my desktop, so I'll go ahead and select the file, then hit Open. To use a virtual background, you'll have to download the green screen package. Go ahead and hit Download. Once the download finishes, you'll be able to use a virtual background without an actual green screen. Once the background is selected, that's it, and you're all set to use that virtual background when joining or starting Zoom meetings. An alternative way to set up the virtual backgrounds would be to open up Chrome, then go to your Zoom scheduler in the extension toolbar. Select Start a Meeting with either video off or video on. Once the Zoom meeting panel is displayed, before you invite other people to your meeting or joining a meeting, navigate to the green shield with a check mark in the upper left-hand corner. This is actually the settings menu. From the settings menu, again, select Virtual Background. And here again, you have the opportunity to select your virtual background or upload an image of your own. Once the image is selected, that's it, and you're all set to use that background to join or host meetings in the future. Thank you very much.